Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Epson XP 640 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the network name on this device. So to do it, you just need to open the empty web server, and then find here AirPrint, and find here Bonjour service name. So now just change the name of your printer. You can change the Bonjour location, for example. Bonjour service name, it's your printer's name that shows in the network. Top priority protocol, you can change it to, but by default you need to choose IPP. Geolocation, you can change it to, and then click OK. Wait a while, click OK again, and great. And then after a while, after all new data will be updated, just click reload, and that's it. Setup complete. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.